it's Natalie, and I am really excited to unbox this package from A Cherry on Top. It literally just arrived on my doorstep a few minutes ago, and I was so excited to open it that I ran upstairs so I could do a video. It's full of goodies, and so one of the main things that I have gotten in this order is that in our next YouTube design team hop, which will feature so many of our new design team members, and I'm so excited. We have so many new crazy talented members. It's going to focus on trying something new. So my something new is going to be UV resin. Ooh, I'm really excited. So my UV resin came today and I can't wait to play with it. So I got the Color Pour resin. It's UV, so it cures really quickly under a UV light, which I already own one I used to do my own gel nails, and so it's the same type of light for that. And another thing, we're just watching videos about it, you can actually just stick it out in the sun. Obviously, duh, UV resin. Not today here because it's 4:09, but isn't that cool? So anyway, I'll make a video soon about that upcoming. I'm super pumped about it. So some of the things that you'll see me have in this order will be to play with that. And so I got some resin cups with stir sticks, and those are Ranger. And let's see. Another thing that I got that is not to do with resin was I just got one of the Black Friday bundles, but it was just hanging out there still, and it looks so fun. So I think it will be really fun to play with. The emojis are still really hot right now. I like to do those trendy kind of things when I scrap my boys. And so this emoji punch board from We Are Memory Keepers, or I think they're changing, or they're rebranding to We Are Makers now. But anyway, this was still available as a Black Friday deal, so I had to grab it for my order. I definitely went over this month. Punch board, so it's just pre-punched out little sheets that fit perfectly into the punch board with all the different emojis that you can do. So this is gonna be fun to play with. You do the eyes separately, the whole circle, you do the mouth, and you can make a bunch of different options. So I think that's gonna be really fun. You have regular eyes, winky eyes, heart eyes, and a smiley mouth. Fun. You can have some fun with that. My kids are also gonna love playing with that. It's just a fun little gadget to have around the house. So let's dig into my cardboard with the what you call it, the bag on it. What we got. I didn't buy a lot of mix-ins for the resin because I already have a bunch of mix-ins for the resin. My husband has made furniture with the regular resin that takes a really long time to dry, and he already had a lot of mix-ins for me, so that is one reason why, like, a lot. This is like glitter powder and shimmer powder and things like that, but also I have a ton of sequins, I have a ton of glitter, so I'm definitely planning to use from my stash to create some of this stuff. So I did buy this, and this is a UV resin, and it's just already tinted pink, so you don't add in the powder, it's already tinted. So and that was very inexpensive, so I'll be interested to see how that works and kind of how they work together. And that's a different brand, so that'll be fun to kind of fill out. Ow, sorry, a staple got me. And we're still in December, right? So I went ahead and I did it. I know I have a ton of Christmas stuff, don't we all? But I haven't bought any of the Christmas lines this year. I did get the Christmas cherry box, which it contained some of the Simple Stories Christmas stuff, which was super fun. But I haven't like picked out any Christmas stuff of my own this year. So I wanted to do that. So that is what I decided to do. And so I'll use it this month. And you know, I still might Christmas craft after the first of the year still as well, but it's still early on in December. So I got some mix and match. I got fruitcake and tinsel, which is fancy pants. And then I also got some of the Paige Evans Christmas collection, which is super cute. And I feel like they'll mix and match well. They have like the pinks and everything. So we'll just do a quick flip through. I didn't do any 12 by 12 papers by Fancy Pants. So I just went with the 6 by 8. And this is so cute. I love it. So, and you get 4 sheets of each. So that's really helpful. I love that one. Ooh, that's fun. And see, that's so not Christmassy. Like all of these, really, a lot of these anyway. I could totally use these for non-Christmas projects. Even that. I love the little mushrooms. That's so cute. Ooh, I love that. Okay, that's festive for sure. Betty, the backside. So this is a cool collection that you could definitely use. Oh, I love that pink. Not just for Christmas. Love that. Set some of this stuff aside. Let's see what we can go through. So I also got the Fancy Pants fruitcake and tinsel foam stickers. So I love that Santa. So cute. I love foam stickers. Like vintage vibes going on here. Again, a lot of things that could be used not Christmassy. Even the deer. He's kind of bent though. That sucks. Could be not Christmassy. Have a meowy Christmas. That's funny. And then I did get a couple of the 12 by 12s because I like the solids. So that pink solid calling to me. And the turquoise solid as well. Turquoise, green, whatever you want to call that. And then this is the Paige Evans. So you can see where, like, this one's much more distressed, but it's the same vibe, the same color schemes. So I think that I can mix and match those well. So that's Paige Evans. I think I've definitely got it for that side. And then this one is Paige as well. With the words and then the cute little scenes. And this one, her collection is called Sugar Plum Wishes. And then this is another pink one, and this one has to be Fancy Pants. Yeah, the fruitcake and tinsel. So those will go good together. And then along with the Paige Evans, the Sugar Plum Wishes, I got her chipboard sticker sheet, which is bright and fun, and it has red foil as like the embellishment, and it's chock full of so much fun and not too many words, which I really appreciate. And then I also got her thickers, which are tiny. I always love to get Paige's stickers that are these teeny ones. I think she might do smaller albums for her. I know she does a 4x4 for Halloween, so I'm thinking she might do a 4x4 for Christmas, and I think that's why she does the smaller ones, because that works really well for a 4x4 album. But I love to do them because I like to do really long titles, and so I like to use the small ones to fit a very long title on a page. So super cute. And then the red foil, so super cute, like pattern, and then red foil. Love, love, love. All right, let's see what else we got. We got some stocking stuffers. These were just like cool little books that were in the store, but they're stained glass, so they're like vellum paper, and they can color on them with markers. They might be able to color with colored pencils as well, and then you can like hold them up to the light and like it'll come through. I think that'll be really fun, so I'm gonna just stick that in the boys' stocking, and then I'm gonna stick this in my stocking. Look at how cute it looks. Very similar to that, but they're temporary tattoos, like really itty bitty little line tattoos, so I can see me wearing those. Just something fun. I'm excited about this. I think I can do a lot of nice detail around the edges of a page with a super simple faux stitching border punch. And then I think that I will like to just kind of leave it as it is, so you can just see like a different pattern or a glitter piece underneath. But also you can stitch it, right? So like punch it, and then it'll be really easy to do like a nice little back stitch. I'm really excited to play with this. This is by Dress My Craft, and I don't think I have anything from this company. Oh, there's a free gift inside. What do you think it is? Well, we gotta open it and find out, don't we? A free gift. A free gift. This is exciting. It's like Christmas. It looks like it's in sequins. fun. So they gave me a little teeny thing of sequins, and they're white and they're square and circle and then some clear. Well, that's cute. Token of love. Oh, so cute. Well, thanks, Dress My Craft. A little free gift inside. Love it. All right, and what else do we have? Oh, yes. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't realize this was a 6x6 stencil. I think I thought that I got the 12x12. But that's okay. Look at all these little dots. I really love a good detailed stencil, and I think that this will be very fun to do a lot of layering on a background with other types of mediums. This will be really good with stencil, not stencil, texture paste, but you can also bring your ink through it or your paint through it. It's going to be fun to use. I really like a detailed stencil like this. I'm excited about this. This is the Crafters Workshop, and it's just the dot stencil. Yeah. Tiny, mini, tiny circles. All right. Oh, I forgot about this. More stocking stuffers. So these are colored pencil by number, and they're the teeniest little colored pencils. They'll love that. Yeah, that'll be good. And it kind of like is a theme, you know? See? Good thing they don't watch my videos. Oh, and my youngest is obsessed with foxes, so one of his gifts is a fox box, so I'm adding this to it. Aren't they cute? They're vellum, kind of transparent, and they have some glitter on them. He just loves foxes. And then lastly, I'm just updating my stash. I needed some more acetate. So this is for shakers. I've been making a lot of shakers lately, which I can use my new sequins from Dress My Craft. But I just got some cherry acetate sheets, nice and sturdy. And then I decided to try these because I'm lazy and I have been doing a lot of shakers, but my cherry foam tape is thick, right? So it's like an 1/8 of an inch, I think. So these are really skinny stripes. Well, that's not true because this is 1/8 of an inch. So this must be a half. No, maybe I think the 1/8 refers to how thick it is. Yeah, it's an 1/8 inch thick. I mean, this is like a 1/16, I think, wide. Centimeters. I'm American. What are we doing? Yeah, so this is a 1/16 wide. Yeah, so I'm excited to use these and not have to take this and cut it in half. Just kind of speed up everything. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. And that's from Waffle Flower, and this is black actually. So, you know, if it shows that, I think they have white as well. So it depends just kind of like what kind of crafts you're making and if you want it to show and if it's gonna show how you like it. I think I'll use it a lot on my Harry Potter album, so I like the idea of the black. And also because black like kind of makes it just look like a shadow exists or something. I don't know. Anyway, that is my haul from A Cherry on Top right now. I'll put my affiliate link down below. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, I'm excited. Thank you all guys for watching. Bye.